Hi, this is Andy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working with a couple of side tables that I've had for more than 10 years now. I bought them at a supermarket and they came disassembled. The legs are screwed in place with a sort of bolt. The tops are hollow and it is made of a sort of MDF. They have a black plastic finish that is in rough shape after all these years. They need a makeover. Let's get started. They will be loved. I am in love with this blue and it is the second time I use it in a video. I will try not to use it for the Ugly Duckling Challenge this Sunday, but I cannot promise. Painting legs is difficult, but with some music everything is more fun. You can see that the plastic laminate was loose in some spots, nothing that some glue cannot fix. The following day I grabbed an old stencil and decided to use it with some green paint. This color is mint green. You place the stencil well and using a stencil foam, apply the paint slowly with light taps. If you have seen my videos, you already know that I love Art Deco patterns. They are both modern and vintage. I love them. A couple of days later, I measured and framed the stencil. I did this using painter's tape in order to get straight lines. If you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Every like and subscription help me greatly. Later that night, I received a package. I hadn't bought anything, so I guess it is from a subscriber. Oh my god, a cracked jig! I wanted it so much! I can't believe it, my first Amazon wishlist gift! Thank you, Perry. Milo and I, thank you. We can't thank you enough. Thank you! I'm really happy. I have to start making more videos for my wonderful subscribers. I love you all. Now that I have a cracked jig, all my coffees will be used to buy a respirator. I use normal masks, but they do not protect enough when you sand or use chemical products. Here you can see that the stencil was not really defined, and that was because I used too much paint. So, after applying a second coat of paint, I decided to paint the tops and redo the stenciling. I didn't film that because it would be too repetitive. For top coat, I used Varathane's water-based polyurethane in satin finish. Here you can see the stencil redone. Quite vintage. I sanded a little to sort of distress the top, just a tiny bit. I gave the body a total of 2 coats of poly and 4 coats to the tops. Let's remember what we started with. And here they are. I simply love them. They scream vintage. Now I'll have to reimagine my living room. I hope that you liked them and that I gave you some ideas to transform your space. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.